Winter solstice, or 冬至, marks a deeper journey into the cold, yet its uniqueness is evident. On this day, the sun shines directly above the Tropic of Capricorn, while the Northern Hemisphere is about to bid farewell to the longest night of the year. Nothing is more awe-inspiring than life's pursuit of light. As light returns, hope burns bright. Cold and warmth, day and night, echo each other from afar. Yet, the time for eagerness and excitement has not arrived. Because the true biting cold begins with winter solstice. At this moment, life becomes etched into the Earth's patterns, contemplating beneath the snow-laden skies. The wilderness stretches vast in the chilly world. The harshness of deep winter and the solitude of life are realities of nature out of our control. However, to meet what kind of ourselves or not depends on us. As the seasons change, the cycles of nature shape our inner world, revealing that solar terms have been a natural education in constant flux of life. Life follows this pattern. From spring and summer to autumn and winter, everything we witness is an extension of nature. Life is clear and radiant in the cyclical passage of seasons. Therefore, stay calm in moments of intense desire, and let the light fill our hearts in moments of despair on winter solstice. This special moment transcends everything, even when the cold envelops the world.